Hey, YouTube. It's your boy Midnight back again. So I'm out in Tucson, Arizona right now with my wife, my beautiful wife, and my handsome child. So we decided to go to the mall and we found this place. It's called Kelly's Cajun Bar and Grill. You can see it right there behind me. Yeah, so we heard they were pretty good. I ended up getting the blackened fish, seasoned potatoes, and mixed vegetables, you know. And my wife, she ended up getting, what'd you get, the bourbon
chicken, fried rice, and corn. The fried rice is really spicy to me.
Yeah, as you've seen my son in the video in the back, you know, whatever. So yeah, I'm gonna try it and, you know, see how we like it. She said her is very spicy. You know me, I like to go for the main first. Yeah.
My rice is spicy. And the corn is normal. Taste it, baby. After you give yours.
Their blackened chicken is good. They just need to me, I think they need to add more seasoning with the blackened seasoning, you know? Like a salt, because it's not like, it doesn't taste like it has salt or anything on it. But for the most part, it's pretty decent. I'm gonna taste her bourbon chicken.
This is one of the best bourbon chickens I've had.
She said it's the best bourbon chicken she's had, so let me see. That's actually, yeah. I would have to say that's like top 3 bourbon chicken I've ever had.
This is really good.
That was actually surprisingly good.
The rice is spicy if you want to give a taste to that. I think it needs more flavor. But it has like, they put like a spicy kick to it. It's not like super spicy, but it got a little kick to it.
It's pretty good though. Yeah, it needs salt, but it's pretty good.
The corn is just corn. They didn't put no butter, nothing. So.
Let me try this potato. This potato's been like eyeing me this whole time. Their seasoned potatoes are really good. Did you want to try it? No? Yeah, the seasoned potato is actually really good. See what this broccoli. You don't get like this from not eating broccoli. You know? Eat your vegetables. They're not your typical, you know, vegetable seasoning, I guess. It's pretty good though. It's good. I would definitely eat this place again. Definitely. Yeah, that's my son back there making all noise. He's in this like little car thing, you know, and he swears he's a speed racer or somebody driving around, sliding corners or something, whatever. But yeah, I would definitely give this a thumbs up, a definite try. Kelly's Cajun Kitchen. Oh, Kelly's Cajun Grill. Tucson, Arizona. Tucson Mall. You know, I have 3 malls, so Tucson Mall is where to get it. All right. Peace out.